Here are the top 7 reasons people trust Herbal Cures over Pharmaceutical Fixes. Did you know your local grocery store or farmer's market can provide you with all the herbs you will need, even if you are on a shoestring budget? Herbal medicine works with your body's natural system to digest the minerals into your bloodstream quickly, with little to no side effects. This makes it so you can fight diseases and sicknesses before they take hold, giving you an armor that's priceless. With only a few packages of seeds, you can start an herbal garden like this one, or even a smaller one with little to no effort. If you take care of it, it should last you a lifetime. You can never tell what is really in a pharmaceutical bottle of medication. When you brew your own medicinal medicine, there is no guesswork. Never take a chance on your health. Herbal medicinal medicines are meant to cure what is hurting you inside. Pharmaceutical pills for serious medical issues can run up to 300 to 500 per tablet. Did you know that? There was a time when your local herbalist had cabinets that looked like this. Natural herbs also make your surroundings smell fantastic. Does your pharmacy have all natural herbs in bottles like this? Did you know that the right tea can relax your mind and focus your thoughts? But that's just the beginning. There are many uses for boiled herbs to promote healing of the entire body. The right herbal teas, along with the right weight loss program, is a powerful combo to build muscle and shed pounds of fat. Warm teas can cleanse your system while boosting your immunity for long periods of time. They can even fight most harmful diseases like heart disease and cancers. Nations throughout the world enjoy herbal teas and natural medicinal herbs for healing. There is no end to the historical power of this miracle drink. Even the ancient Egyptians had a form of it. Some herbal teas are meant to be bitter, and some are sweet. There is no such thing as one size fits all. Because there are thousands of varieties, the goal is find one that suits your taste. Don't forget to check the description box, and give the video a like. There are many more herbal tips to come. Also be sure to leave one comment.